is a PMP certification? PMP is the number one most recognized project management credential on earth. It is issued by PMI, which is the Project Management Institute of USA, and then it is recognized in 200 plus country and trusted by almost every MNC. It focuses on all three methodologies, which is predictive or waterfall and agile as well as hybrid. Its eligibility lasts to about 3 to 5 years of PM experience, and you need to have about 35 hours of mandatory training. It it has about 1.4 million global holders, and it is one of the largest project managers network, and the exam is of 180 questions and is of 20 to 30 minutes. Every PMP leads every other CERT. This is because it covers almost all PM approaches, not just agile and waterfall. It is accepted in almost every country and in every MNC. The average salary jump is 20 to 25% immediately after the certification, and it is mandated by TCS, Infosys, Accenture, as well as IBM for their senior project management roles. And also, no other CM offers this breadth of a global career value.